Hello, my name is John Cashier-Rice. I'm the Principal Trainer on the NLP Master Practitioner. And in this series of videos on why should you take an NLP Master Practitioner and how to prepare for an NLP Master Practitioner, we're now starting to get into the point where we are preparing for an NLP Master Practitioner. So this video is going to be good for you if you've decided, like we talked about in the previous video, to go for an organization that runs an NLP Master Practitioner with a full-blown modeling project. And remember, just a quick recap on that. One is that we talked about some NLP Master Practitioners do no modeling project, and it's a continuation of the practitioner, which is lovely. Then you have an organizations where you would watch the trainer, which is passive modeling, learning how to model, where you watch the trainer model somebody and you maybe get to ask them some questions. Then you had the next level of modeling, which is where you watch the trainer do something, normally like a karate board break, and then you'd ask the trainer some questions and then you would install it in yourself and you'd break the board yourself, which is good fun. And we include that in our Master Practitioner because it's good fun. Or you're with an organization like ourselves that will run a full-blown NLP modeling project. And the amount of work that takes, we talked about in the other video, and it's truly about mastery, not just learning some techniques. It's pulling together your NLP skills like nothing else will. Okay, so how would you prepare for something like that? So here's what I'm going to suggest you do. Decide on the sort of things that you'd like to model. Don't restrict yourself. So get a piece of paper or a notepad, carry around with you and write down all the things that you'd like to model. So you might like to, how do writers come up with ideas for books? How are you disciplined in writing? How do you become an excellent vegetarian cook? How do you play golf at a high level in a short period of time? And charismatic speaker, which is the example we used in the last video. If you haven't seen that, there's a link to it in the explanation below. So just write down ideas, how to become an excellent parent, how to become a world-class leader, how to become an innovator, how to run a successful business, how to think like an entrepreneur. So not necessarily things you can learn on a course that's already out there, although there may be some element of that, but really it's like entrepreneurship. Yeah, you can learn steps and procedures to become an entrepreneur, but it doesn't mean you have that entrepreneur flair. So if you can model entrepreneurs and find out what they're doing inside here, with a course in place and the skills, the world's your oyster. It's an exciting time. And that's the edge we're giving you. So write down lots of ideas. And also start to write down the types of people you think would be good to model. And don't let anything hold you back. So if you are interested in leadership and for some reason maybe you think Obama is a great leader, or maybe you think somebody like Richard Branson's a great leader, then write their names down. Because on the course we're going to talk about how do we contact these people to be open to modeling them. So you right away, if you do get in front of these people, there's no guarantee, but if that's something you want to do, there is that possibility. And you need to be prepared. You need to be sitting there ready to model that person. So you're not going to model these people before you've done the course. On the training, we will tell you when you're ready to do that and how to prepare. But more importantly, we're going to talk about how do we contact these people and what do you say and how do you follow it up. Right, so for this video, our preparation is to start to think about what it is that we want to model. And I know there's a couple of key things that you probably want to do already, but carry on writing down. Get as many ideas down as paper, because the more you explore this, and when we come to talk about what modeling is on the Master Practitioner, you're prepared with some ideas. And also start to think of the types of people that will demonstrate this excellent. So get going. Write those down now, and then in the next video, what we'll do, we'll talk about some of the skills from the practitioner that is worth reviewing so that you're ready to take the NLP Master Practitioner. If this has piqued your interest or you've got any questions, please post them below or contact me at john@nlpcourses.com and we'll arrange a time to have a chat. All right, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Take care. Have a fabulous week.